O muthenya kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta, ndege igiri ni ciumbukaga irorete bururi-ini wa Somalia ikuite ahuri biacara, aruti wira ikundi itari cia githirikari, ro hamwe na jeshi ya kimabũrũri ma Afrika niyo AMISOM. Kahinda kahituku gutiri ndege irathiaga bururi-ini wa Somalia tiga jeshi kuona ati ugitiri ni urahagukite na gikiro kia iguru muno. Mbica iria iraumaga bururi wa Somalia ciarĩ cia jeshi ya KDF makirwa na itoi cia gikundi kia Al-shabaab, undu uria watumaga andu aingi metigire bururi uyu. Na thutha wa jeshi ya Kenya kuhatura matauni maingi kuumana na wathani wa Al-shabaab, riu thayu ni ucokereirie bururi-ini uyu ta uria Brigadier Dickson Ruto uria urugamireire jeshi ya Kenya bururi-ini wa Somalia aratariria.
And the key tasks of KDF in AMISOM, one is to protect population centers in the areas that we control, to ensure that businesses and people are safe and they go on with their normal lives.
Kuringana na barothi wa Kenya bururi-ini wa Somalia Lucas Tumbo, kuri na thayu bururi-ini uyu na Akenya aingi ni maigite biacara.
In the area of agriculture and also the area of education and also health sector. Like now in some parts of this country, like in Riria, we have many Kenyans who have been invested in the health care.
Jeshi ya mabũrũri ma Afrika rungu rwa AMISOM ikoretwo ikiiga thayu kahinda ka miaka 7 na riu barothi Tumbo araringiriria a Kenya maigithie bururi-ini uyu na marute mawira matiganite.
So my appeal to Kenyans is to step out and have courage to invest. You know, challenges make us grow, and returns in these areas that in troubled areas are normally higher than in peaceful areas.
Riu jeshi cia mabũrũri ma Afrika rungu rwa AMISOM ciguthie na mbere kuiga thayu na guthomithia jeshi ya bururi wa Somalia maundu megie ugitiri o nginya mwaka wa 2021 riria merigereirwo gukauma bururi-ini uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuuma tauni-ini ya Doble, Somalia, njitagwo Maina wa Macharia.
Asante. Visa. Thank you.
Welcome.